It's on the box. Ever since he picked up that box.
Yeah.
What's in that box?
Oh.
Hey, Samantha, that's not for you.
On the paper or something. Perfumes make me sneeze.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Maybe it's the Playboy cologne you put on.
Yeah.
No, it's down my. Yeah.
Are you recorded?
Yeah. You kind of look stoned right now, huh?
Oh man.
I'm gonna get my, since I'm in movie mode, I'm gonna get my tree and Andy. It's so funny, I can see Andy perfectly through my Charlie Brown tree. I love that tree. Because it was like, I think it was last year that I was saying how much I thought those things were just absolutely adorable. I wonder why it took people so long to figure out that those Charlie Brown Christmas trees were the coolest things. Like, whoever finally made those is genius.
No, he's having a moment still.
He's still sneezing.
Okay, I'll open my present now. From Santa Claus, I guess. I take it.
Can I say what's from?
No. It's, you just simmer down.
Does she know what's in there?
Nope.
I
No.
know who it's from.
No, you don't.
Why do I do
No,
that?
you
I'm
don't.
gonna say.
Like many kids that said,
I
I don't
made a
believe in Santa Claus. I
promise.
say, well, have you ever been to the North Pole? No. You know anybody that's been to the North Pole? No. Then what do you know about it?
There you go.
That's right.
You know, he thinks that's what it is. He's all like, cool.
Not what's on the box. He stops and reads the box like, that's what's in there.
Well, you can share with the rest of us. You can't see anything.
Okay.
Oh, there's a card.
Cardboard.
There might be something. Careful. Here it is.
Oh, $1. All right.
Oh!
Pete, why is this in here?
I'm confused.
Okay, well, but she got away. She has to wait her turn, though.
Oh, you gotta keep going.
This is funny.
Girl, isn't it? Man, you got a present for somebody else.
Hey, don't laugh at the heart scene. That might be for somebody else. It's another box.
What is it too long from Mom and Dad and Sam?
It's a box for somebody else. It's a box for somebody else.
Oh, it's two turns. What if there's another present in there?
That's what I think.
I think there's another present in there, Grandpa.
It's wrapped really, really well.
Tastes
Tastes good.
Yeah, look at this marking.
Daddy likes that.
You're just having a heck of a time.
Another present.
I did all the work for you. Here you go.
News time?
Yep.
My wrapping paper.
Okay,
My wrapping paper.
here we go.
What does that one say?
Wait.
To Andy from Santa.
Oh, this is funny.
I don't need that.
Oh,
There's another present.
Oh!
And started.
To Mom and Dad from Andy and Kate. Can't deliver that for us?
Open together. I guess I have to open this one.
You can open it because I guess it was in the beginning.
You have to start.
Our tricks.
I want the
eating the
Sounds
sausage.
good.
That is pretty
Maybe
nice,
the
by
end
the
will
way.
be yours.
Samantha, can you sit down, dear?
I suppose that's it to both of us.
Yeah,
Come over here.
Samantha, sit
Samantha.
down.
the present to somebody else.
Look at the suspense and keep it upside down.
I don't touch it, it's in a box.
Yeah, I know. Is that what it is?
Yes,
No, it's a box.
yeah, you actually got that.
You need that bad.
It's like 12 megapixels.
I just said the other week, you guys really should get a new camera instead of something else. You were gonna get some, a TV or something. I said, get a new camera before you get a new TV.
Come on,
Enter
baby.
program.